The Undertaker!
Oh my God!
Reversal. Choke slam through a chair!
The intensity, the emotion of Batista. Look at the eyes of the animal. Oh, Batista! Oh my God! Batista bomb through the table. Oh my God! Oh my God! Cena! Look at the strength of John Cena! Good Lord, the power! Can Cena execute? The God Almighty! The God Almighty! They killed him! Well, somebody stop the damn match! Enough's enough!
You can't do this, can he?
You gotta be kidding me!
Don't do this! Oh, Jesus! That's it, he's dead. Sweet mother of God! Alice. Straight. Back and forth we go!
Where's Joe? Where'd he go?
Randy Orton in a place we've never seen him before.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh my God! KO in midair!
Right! Wait, what the flip?